In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in with Apple ID and Wise. If you prefer a fast, secure way to access your Wise account without juggling extra passwords, using your Apple ID is a great option. I'll walk you through the process, explain what to expect on screen, and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to wise.com. You can type it directly into the address bar to avoid any lookalike sites, and make sure you see the secure padlock icon next to the URL. Using an up-to-date browser helps ensure the Apple sign-in window loads correctly. Once the Wise homepage opens, look to the top right corner and click Login. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon first, then choose Login from there. This takes you to the sign-in page where you'll see different ways to access your account. Next, select the Apple option from the list of login choices. It might be labeled Sign in with Apple or Continue with Apple. When you click it, a small window will appear from Apple asking you to confirm your Apple ID. Depending on your device, you may be prompted to use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple ID password. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, and you should, for security, you'll be asked to verify with a code. Just follow the on-screen prompts. It only takes a moment. After you authenticate, Apple will securely pass your sign-in to Wise, and you'll be redirected back to your Wise account. That's it. You're in. You should see your dashboard load, just like any normal login. If the page doesn't refresh automatically, give it a second, or click Continue if prompted. A couple of quick tips to keep things trouble-free. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID on your device before you begin, especially if you use more than one. If the Apple window doesn't appear, try disabling pop-up blockers for a moment or refresh the page. And if you're on a public or shared computer, always sign out of Wise and your Apple session when you're done. To recap the flow, go to wise.com, click Login at the top right, choose the Apple option, and complete the Apple ID authentication. It's simple, secure, and saves time every time you access your account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of logging into Wise with Apple ID.